What's up, everybody? Eric Rogers with Century 21 Affiliated, outside of one of my newest listings at 1638 McClure. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo located in Prairie Point in Aurora. Now, this condo is right off of Farnsworth. It's close to 88. It's real close to Stonebridge Country Club, and it's beautiful inside. We've got this priced attractively, $127,900. At that price, it will not last. So please give me a call if this is something that you're interested in. Don't just look at the photos, come and take a tour in person. Give me a call, 630-346-1041. I'd be happy to bring you out and give you a tour. Now, this has got some additional features that you're really gonna love. Brand new carpets. It's move-in ready. It's looking great. It's a second floor unit, which means all the ceilings are vaulted, so everything feels nice and spacious. Again, come on out, take a look. Do not wait. At $127,900, this home will not last. 630-346-1041 is my number. Text me, call me, email me, whatever you need. I'll bring you out, give you a private tour, and get you into this house. Thank you so much.